Yo guys, it's Delia, and I am so excited for tomorrow because tomorrow I have a big day. Mom, guess what I'm doing for the big day?
I don't know what.
Exploding Stacey the watermelon.
What?
She already knew she's bad at acting. But first, we must go to Joann's, find rubber bands, and a tattoo without black henna. Never mind, guys, they had 100, not enough. They had 300 rubber bands, and we need 400 rubber bands. Even though Stacey is small. You'll meet her when you get to see my tattoo.
Oh, you didn't look for that either.
Okay, guys, we finally got the rubber bands to blow Stacey's guts up tomorrow. And it's going to be fun. Just not to Stacey. Will it be fun to Stacey?
What?
Do you think killing Stacey will be fun to her?
No.
And sadly, I didn't get a tattoo, but I'm going to use Sharpie on my bicep to give myself a tattoo, and you can meet her while I'm writing it on myself. Chapter 2. Where's the Sharpie? Chapter 3. Sharpie found. Wow, we switched locations. Isn't that right, Stacey? This is Stacey the watermelon. You can't see her face because the skin is over it. But trust me, she's smiling until tomorrow. Now for my tattoo. MCR. Comment down below your favorite My Chemical Romance song. And also, I got my nails done today, in case you didn't notice. Okay guys, so I'm gonna stop here to now and start filming tomorrow morning at 9. So I'll see you tomorrow morning, where we will be doing a murder that will probably give us PTSD. Bye. Hey guys, it is 9:01 a.m. the next day, and as you can see, I am still in my pajamas. So here's a quick little get ready with me before we kill Stacey. Step 1, obviously, is I'm going to brush my teeth. What else would I be doing? And now, obviously, time to get dressed and fix my hair. My swim top. And now I need some shorts that I don't really care about. And now that we're dressed, it's time for the most important thing of all, fixing my hair. Now that we've fixed my precious hair, It's time to take care of the neighbors. They don't want to smell us. And before we kill Stacey, I obviously need my Coke for the morning. So we'll do that while my mom walks my dog, and the camera will charge. See you later. You guys, so we have, I bet, like a lot over 400 rubber bands. And here is Stacey the watermelon. But before we do this, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Okay. Come on. We're getting heavy. Stay still. Okay. We're gonna have to hold her. We should move it like down a little bit. One. Now watch me do the rest really fast. What's my favorite class? Probably creative writing or chemistry. So we're back and I got water. No, Stacey, it's not for you. So let's try to get 50 before we take a snack break. I feel like we've made zero progress. But that's okay because we're not even halfway there. We still have a long time out here. I'm gonna count them so I know when we'll have our snack break. 1, 2.
I woke up this
3,
morning
4, 5,
and someone
6,
else's
7,
bed.
8, 9, 10.
It was
11,
10 in the morning.
12, 13.
Just
14,
run
15,
fight for my life.
16, 17, 18, 19,
Change.
20, 21. Hey guys, we have reached 30 rubber bands, and now I feel like we are making progress because like she's heavier than usual. Like when we got her yesterday. So 20 more rubber bands, and I will answer some questions while eating a few potato chips. Alright guys, we now have 40 on, and she's getting heavier, which means she's closer to exploding. And dying. Exploding her guts out. Yeah, I'm a bit of a psycho myself. Hey guys, we have reached 50 rubber bands and Stacey is closer to dying, which I know we all want to see soon. But first, we need some Ruffles, Lay's potato chips, and I'll answer another question. Wavy. Okay. Let's answer another question, shall we? Next we have, how's chorus? I mean, chorus is good. I definitely want to wear a suit next year. Like request a suit. because I'm not like a girly girl. Well, most of the time. I clearly have a feminine side. And if you look at my toes, which I think I posted on Instagram, they're pretty gold. So, but the clothes area, yeah, next year I'm going to request a suit. I hope I look good. And the ice cream sandwiches, that was a yes day. So, let's get started on our way to 60.
Where's your PPE?
I don't have any. Gotta love a good mom. Okay, guys. So, my face hurts. But, let's do this. Oh, I forgot to put my gloves on. Okay, guys. We now have 60 rubber bands on here. So 140 more to go, and I have nothing else to do because I am locked out of the house by accident. And my mom is walking the dog. I mean, I could use the gate. Yeah, that was probably a smart idea. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. I have to use the bathroom. Okay, never mind. I guess I'm gonna have to hold it. Hopefully these make my hands feel better. I'm horrible at putting on gloves. Oh. Okay, guys. We now have 70. And I'm locked out here. So, this is going to be fun. I honestly hate taking the gloves on and off. So, I'm just gonna leave them there till it's time to clean up, which won't be for a while. So I hope they don't blow away. And time for 10 more. Okay. Now we have 80, 90, 100, 150. Need 70 more before we take another break. So watch me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, after that we have 90. So it's getting closer to exploding. It's gotten a lot heavier, which is great. But now, must have lunch. Okay, now I'm really full. And I'm bored until I finish my Coke. So we're going to answer the last question that the one person asked. Like, he left 3 questions. Guys, There's a bunch of you. Let's just answer the question. Easy. Soccer. Okay, guys, we're back. And, we have 90, like I said earlier. So, watch me put 10 more on very fast. Okay, guys, we have 100 rubber bands on. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay. 110. 120. Hey guys, I hope that montage didn't give you too much of a headache. But yay, we're halfway done for Stacey the watermelon to explode. Let's do this.
Sweet tea break.
And I'm back. I wonder if we could put them on in 20s because I'm waiting for the big explosion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see. Nope, you can't do it. Hi guys, I'm sorry for not recording, but 2:40, I put the 10 on. It was true. One, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5 rubber bands later.
We're now at 250.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, believe it or not, we have 270 on the watermelon.
Juicy juice time.
Yes, now that we reached 300, I am now shirtless because I want those watermelon seeds all over me so I can take a shower. Because it wouldn't be that much of a big deal if it was only like 300 and something. But if it was 400, I am going to put the staple on. Hey guys, so now we're going to take a break and count how many we have left because we might need more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 340 plus 20, 40, 50, 60. We're going to need a little bit more. Okay, so we found a couple more.
Sorry,
Okay. Now 340. Dude, it's literally oozing. We're almost there. I'd be disappointed if it didn't explode. 7.5 hours of work for nothing. Okay. Now. We're now going to the store to buy more so we can watch it explode soon. And I'll have my apron on when we get back because it's oozing. And it has almost been 8 hours. Hey guys, we went to Walmart and got more rubber bands. They're bigger. That's what she said. But we can see if they'll squeeze the watermelon harder so it can go quicker. Blast off. Wow, look. I'm hideous. One. Two. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 372. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 380. 1. 2. 3. 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 390. Just 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
10, 400. It still hasn't exploded. All that work for nothing? Okay, apparently you need a lot more than 400. So, it's cracking some more. More. I'm getting wet.
7.
8, 9. Oh, you guys should see this. 10. 11. Look. 12. 13.
Oh my god, are we gonna have to buy
15.
14?
Oh. 16.
15. 16.
17.
Whoa, whoa,
We're almost there.
She's dying.
She's dying. It exploded. I did it. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Hey, don't stop, eh? Don't stop it. Do on that beat. Do on that beat. Do on that beat. Do on that beat. Okay, guys, I hope you had a fun time watching this. And after, what time is it? Almost 7 whole hours. We finally did it. We made it explode. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, make this go viral. Well, I edit and my mom makes me a coffee drink because I did it. And if you don't have moms as cool as mine that let you do this, that take you to the store to buy more rubber bands, then she's crazy. Get a new one. Love you guys. Bye.